questions for me that I'm going to go through. So let's go ahead and start. Gio Valentino 2, it's my Asian Sergio. Any chance you'll cut your hair short? Well, he secretly hates my longer hair. So yeah, I definitely would love to cut my hair short. Thinking about signing with a small agency in London, any advice? If you're looking at signing with any type of modeling agency, I find it's really important to go in and meet who you're going to be working with, because a lot of people think that you need a big agency to do well in the business, and that's not necessarily the case, because it's just about having the chemistry with your agent and who you work with is going to make the hugest difference there. So I mean, there's people I know that are with big agencies and they don't mess with their agent, and they're not going to work. And then I think a lot of people don't put the actual work in either that it takes. So definitely go in, meet them, make sure you're vibing with them and you can see yourself working there. All right, next question. Pros and cons about social media. Pros, I mean, obviously you get to do a lot of cool stuff, and it's enjoyable. It's also though stressful. A lot of people don't realize what it takes, even doing YouTube. It's a lot of work. So if you're new or wanting to get into it, you're curious about getting into it, don't expect to not put in hard work. I mean, my background, I worked in construction, I worked at a steel mill. I've done landscaping when I first started, when I was young. And then I got into music, which eventually led me here. But you really can't expect just to come on the scene and not put in any work and expect them to do the work for you. Pet peeves. Laziness. Tell us about LA Models. LA Models, in my opinion, is the best men's agency that there is. And they're not telling me to say that. It's the truth though. Been and met with a lot of other agencies, and it's not anything against them. I've noticed that LA Models treats their people, like they should be treated. And it's really important to have that type of relationship with the people you work with, where you're not just a number. No one wants to just be a number. We all have names, we have personalities, all these things that we should be recognized for. And they also are, what's the craziest thing is they are as big as they are, and they are who they are in that whole realm of things. And I'm not going to say names, but I know some agencies you call and, like I said, you're a number. They don't even know you really by name. So LA Models is amazing. What's been your favorite booking? Oh man, favorite booking. I just say anything to do with motorcycles. Any motorcycle jobs I've done, or I did a thing with GQ and Coach a few years ago, which was so cool. They flew their team out, and I was able to be on the creative direction side as well as doing, being the talent in it as well. It was just really cool getting that experience. I'd say it's probably one of my favorite, most proud jobs, but I have a lot of them. Let's see, Nihal Mamau 6. Remember, if I butcher the name, I'm sorry. Let's see. Actually, scratch that. Daniel Rod GZP. Where do you buy your boots? The ones I have on now are Tacovas. They're a small company out of Texas, but they're actually growing really quick. Fry's, I love. Red Wing makes some great boots. The ones that I wear, that I get asked about a lot, are the Grinsons. The Grinsons, it's a company out of London. They hand make their boots. You'll pay probably $350 for a pair, but I still have them, and I crashed one of my motorcycles in them, and they're still kicking. So, Kittens Playground 43. Can I have a ride? You can get a bike and go for a ride. Let's see, the Rain CIDNTH, favorite metal band. Old metal band would probably be, Black Sabbath. Let's see. Alessio De Gianni asked, how long have you been playing guitar? I've been playing guitar for probably 13 or 14 years. Rente_Salo, is it fun filming with Katy Perry? Yeah, she was awesome. That was actually, speaking of favorite shoots, that was up there as well. I got to go to Hawaii and ride a motorcycle for 5 days for a music video. It was a blast. She's really cool, actually. Way more down to earth than what I was expecting. Will you post workout videos? A new Raglamba 27. Yeah, I am actually. I'm going to be posting in the next few weeks. I'm going to do I developed a backyard workout that you can do during this crazy quarantine nonsense. Chris_Coach Sportive, where do you live? I live currently in Los Angeles. Once again, I get asked a lot. I'm a hair over 6 foot for height. I'll do one more. Aaron Cangurelli asks, if you had a chance to talk to 25-year-old you, what would you tell yourself? Stay focused, save money, and don't waste time doing things that don't make you happy and don't fulfill you. I know it sounds sappy and cheesy, but it's true. All right, I'll do one more. Let's see. Jahade.BNLLE, do you think that a long distance relationship can work out? Yeah, we got Zoom, we've got FaceTime. I mean, it's this day and age, I would say that's probably the best time. If a long distance relationship is going to work, I would say it's probably now is the best time. So anyways, guys, that's it for this week. And I'll be doing more Q&As. Let me know, like and subscribe in the comments what you want to see more of. And I'll see you in the next video.